Hair squeaky clean. I shampooed and conditioned it so it is fresh and ready for a new style. So I just want to show you my natural curl pattern, how it looks, and how I'm going to keep this curl pattern in my style. So first I'm going to part it into fours. So I like to split it in half, and I clip one side up out of the way just so I can get all the product thoroughly in. Oh, you saw that, girl? Ooh, I like that. Then I work the other side, but I split that side down. I split that in half and go from there.
Damn, what the hell happened to your shirt? Look like the piranhas got your ass.
Mama! Oh my God, I ain't gonna roast me on my own video. So I like to finger detangle my hair just because, it's better that way and you save more hair. And your fingers, well, combs are actually mimicked after your fingers, so technically, save some money like I love to do. You'll thank them. I'm spraying this with water just to re-wet it, and I have a special ingredients in my spray bottle to help my hair the soak up any products that go into it, because sometimes your follicles can be closed. So I put something in my water bottle, a little concoction I like to help my follicles open to soak up that product, girl. So if you would like to know what I put in my spray bottle, just comment down below and let me know. And this is the first time I'm trying this out, the Michelle's leave-in conditioner. It is the pomegranate honey. It smells really, really good. And I put that from tip to root and saturate my hair. I'm using the LOG method today. And in the curly hair community, if you're new to the curly hair community, that stands for leave-in conditioner, oil, and gel. And that container is coconut oil. And I saturate my hair all the way through with that oil. You can use any oil you want, but I do like coconut oil in my hair. And what I'm doing now is using this Dannon brush. I like this brush because it clumps my curls together better than other brushes I've used. So I really, really like the Denman brush. Dannon brush. I say Dannon brush. But Dannon. Is Dannon?
Dannon.
Yeah, Dannon. I like the Dannon brush.
By
Goody. My mom got this brush 25 cents at the yard sale. But I'm going to get my own because it's too small. It's too small with my big head. Like, no. I need a bigger brush. It take too long. So anyway, as you can see in the bottom of my hair, how it's like clumping my hair together. So sexy. I love it. I love this brush so much. So it really gets the product throughout all your hair. So first, for one, you don't have to use as much product and you can save your money. Because these curly hair products ain't cheap. And two, yeah, that's the only reason. I ain't got a two. But yeah, it clumps everything together and it saturates and makes sure all the product is distributed evenly. So now I'm putting my homemade flaxseed gel in it. It has flax seeds. I put water. I put coconut oil and shea butter in it. It's my nice little recipe that I have. I really love this gel that I made. I made a couple different ones, but this combination that I made really works out well. And so I'm doing the same thing, going from the ends to the roots. And I like to focus. I put more on my roots than my ends because the roots of my hair are typically more dry than my ends. So I do like to put more on my roots because I don't know. I like the curl pattern to go from root to tip, everything defined. Because sometimes when I don't put enough gel right there, it's like puffy, and at the ends it's like really defined and pretty. So I like to start off the week with at least a full head of defined hair, just to start off the week or a couple of days. However long my hairstyle lasts. This lasts for about 5 days, but I do have to refresh some curls throughout the week. And also, if you would like a video about how I refresh my curls throughout the week when it gets a little frizzy, please comment down below and I would love to do a tutorial for you guys about that as well. So once again, as I finish my LOG, I get the Dannon brush and I smooth it out once again. And make sure the product is evenly distributed. All the way through. Look at them curls. Popping. Who's popping? Ooh. Moisture is real, honey. The moisture is real. Okay? Now I'm going to go a little fast for y'all. I took a shot of 5-hour energy. Just repeating the steps to all the other sides.
Real fast like a crackhead.
Mama, don't say crackhead. Yeah, so it's moving really quickly. Just to show you guys how to do the front. And I do focus on the roots again, as you can see in the front. I did that. I'm distributing the product. And I'm doing the same to the other side. And bam! We're done just like that. How it looks at the end result. All my curls are super defined from that brush. I love, love, love that brush. And this is how it's going to look. So I'm going to leave my hair down for the rest of the day to, let it dry. But if you don't want it in your face, put it in a pineapple. This is key. Put your hair in a pineapple if you don't want it in your face when it dries from your wash and go. Don't put it in any other one. I swear your curls will not be popping at the end if it's not in this pineapple, okay? But look at that.
I'm glad the piranhas didn't eat your hair.
Mama steady roasting her only daughter. How you feel about that? Anyway, that's the end result. This is what my hair looks like 100% dry after my wash and go. Curls are very defined. Looking nice. The end result. And this is what my hair looks like when I just leave it down and let it dry by itself. But if it's in a pineapple, it may be a little bit longer than this. But I really like how it came out. All the curls are really pretty and defined. They look a little juicy too. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed, and take a look right here on my other video so you guys can see how I make my flaxseed gel if you guys want to achieve this look. But I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye. 24 hours later. So this is the next day. Put my hair in a pineapple and put a scarf over. And this is how my curls look. Woo! Are they still popping? Are they still popping? Oh! Ooh, girl. Ooh, they popping. Ooh, it's y'all know you want this look. Go watch that flaxseed gel thing. My flaxseed tutorial. She at her grandma's house.